And that's how you take the work out of yard work. Our number one pick isn't just a tool, it's your new favorite yard work partner. If you're ready to save your back and your time, I've made it easy for you. All the links to purchase our top-rated lawn sweepers are waiting for you down in the video description. Now, I have to ask you, what's the biggest debris problem in your yard? Are you battling leaves, pine straw, or something else? Let me know in the comments below. Number 1. Agri-Fab 44-inch toe-behind lawn sweeper. This Agri-Fab model combines an efficient, 44-inch sweeping width with a relatively high hopper capacity, making it our best choice overall. Our favorite feature of this lawn sweeper is the extended hopper handle, which is long enough to reach and operate without dismounting your tractor. This way you can dump your leaf load wherever you like and continue sweeping, saving time and energy. The universal fit hitch means you don't need to worry about compatibility with your existing tractor or mower. Thanks to a collapsible hopper and folding hitch, it is convenient to store against a wall. Number 2. Yard Commander 42-inch toe-behind lawn sweeper. If you're not comfortable shelling out $400, $500, or $600 for a toe-behind lawn sweeper, this budget-friendly Yard Commander model is a great option. Despite the relatively low price, it still offers 42 inches of sweeping width and has a universal hitch that should fit almost any ATV or lawn tractor. At 73 pounds, this is also one of the lighter toe-behind options on our list, and naturally more convenient to store and maneuver when you're not towing it. A pull-string dumping mechanism looks to be convenient to operate, and a large adjustment lever changes the brush height. Number 3. Ohio Steel 50-inch extra-wide toe-behind lawn sweeper. The 11-inch diameter brushes of this Ohio Steel sweeper are arranged in a spiral, as opposed to straight orientation, which puts less stress on the internal gears. This should result in a longer lifespan with fewer maintenance issues. There are also fiberglass reinforced nylon wheels to support the body. A nylon rope makes for quick and easy hopper emptying, and the wide chute reduces the chances of frustrating and time-consuming clogs. Like many lawn sweepers on our list, it's compatible with all tractor brands. Number 4. Agri-Fab 52-inch toe-behind lawn sweeper. If you've got a large yard and want to ensure you're sweeping as efficiently as possible, consider this extra-wide, 52-inch Agri-Fab lawn sweeper. The 6-10-inch diameter brushes can easily handle dry leaves, grass clippings, or even pine cones. A convenient release rope also simplifies unloading the hopper without getting off your tractor. However, this wide size is bulkier than most, so ensure you have enough space in your garage or tool shed before purchasing. Number 5. Agri-Fab 26-inch push lawn sweeper. Not everyone has the luxury of owning a riding mower. With a 26-inch sweep path, this Agri-Fab push model provides an impressive amount of efficiency without needing a separate lawn tractor. Its collapsible hopper has 7 cubic feet of space, and the entire unit folds up for convenient storage when not in use. Weighing just 25 pounds, this sweeper is substantially lighter than toe-behind options, and along with the extra-wide handle, is comfortable to maneuver and operate. The steel frame is built with durability in mind, and Agri-Fab's 3-year limited warranty has you covered if any manufacturing issues arise. And that's how you take the work out of yard work. Our number 1 pick isn't just a tool, it's your new favorite yard work partner. If you're ready to save your back and your time, I've made it easy for you. All the links to purchase our top-rated lawn sweepers are waiting for you down in the video description.